today we're gonna make this kind of bottle. You see your name way over here. You can use this for money, toys, or the pens, or color pencils and pencils. This is gonna be what you need: a bottle and scissors and markers. And let's get started. You take off the sticker and anyway, took it off. Throw it out the garbage. And then you have to cut the top. And up to here. How to cut it? How to cut it? So you have to cut the top and I cut it off. And you have to take off the cap. And then you can cut it. You need to cut the hair and the eyes and the eyebrows and the lips and the necklace. And then on the back you have to write the name. And let's get started. Thank you for watching, and please like the video and think what I should do next.